The reason that made me to take this particular trade on Boom 500. Okay, and then you can see that we are currently at $2, and my target is for us to get to this take profit level here and then approach this second take profit. Okay, so the first trade that I have here will be for my first take profit at this particular level. Okay, and then the second trade entry here will be for this second take profit level. So I'm just going to show you now how I was able to take this trade on Boom 500 index with this lot size. Okay, and definitely at the end of this trade, let me check how much I should be making. So this here is okay. The first take profit will be around $2.72. Okay, and then the second take profit would be $6.41. Okay, so that would total 3. Here will be 11. So we should be talking about close to $10. Okay, by just making use of this lot size 0.10. Remember, the least lot size on Boom 500 is 0.20. Okay, but because we are trading with a small account of $26, we want to keep our positions as little as possible. Okay, so imagine we taking this trade entry with 0.20, so that will be a total of $20. Okay, but because of the equity, we decided to make use of 0.10. okay, using 2 positions. Okay, so at the end of this trade we should be having at least a $10 on this account. So I'm just going to show you how I was able to take this entry so that you'll be able to use this same strategy on your chart, guys. So it's a very simple strategy. So you can see that on the 4-hour that the sell pressure is massive. Okay, and definitely this take profit is going to be hit very soon, guys. So the first thing I noticed here is that there was a strong pin bar candlestick pattern. So you can see this blue candlestick here, that there was a very strong rejection at that level. Okay, showing that price definitely has rejected strongly from there. And then the next thing we note is the next candle that followed. Okay, so you can see that that is a very strong level in the market, and then the subsequent candle that followed. Okay, so that is a very strong level in the market. And then when we begin to look at the subsequent candles, you can see that there was a rejection here. The next candle was also a rejection. Okay, you can see the next candle also a rejection. This red candle here was a rejection. The next candle that followed also a rejection, and then there was a very strong rejection here, and then market sold with the first candle and then the second candle. Okay, and then this was the next spike that happened here. Okay, so definitely you can say that this was a very strong resistance zone. So I was able to note that and then draw my zone here. Okay, so this is my powerful zone, guys. This is my powerful zone here, and I've been able to note that. Okay, and then you can see that when price came back here, you will notice that there was a strong rejection sell here, and then price closed with a sell. Okay, and then now price opened for this particular 4-hour candle here that we have, and then you can notice a strong spike that went up. Okay, so when I saw that and I note that price was already selling onto this level. Okay, so price refused to close above this particular zone that we've marked. Price refused to close above it, so you can note the rejection here and that price has closed below it. So when we go to the 1-hour time frame, you will notice that. Okay, so you can notice that on the 1-hour time frame, remember our candlestick pattern that we talked about. So we have our inside bar candlestick pattern. Okay, so this particular red candlestick is inside of this blue candlestick. Okay, so a spike has happened now, but definitely we are going to hit our take profit here. So I'm not scared, because I know definitely price is going to come here. Okay, so then the next thing I noted was on the 30 minutes time frame. Guys, remember in the previous strategy video that I told you about how we can make use of our moving average. Okay, remember our moving average is another powerful secret we want to make use of. It will help us to note the resistance level in the market. So this is the first cross we had here. So the black moving average crossed the yellow moving average. Okay, so let me just adjust that now, so we can see the crossing here. Okay, we can see the crossing here, and when that happens, we want to wait for a crossing upward. Okay, we want to wait for a crossing upward here, and you can see that that same crossing happened here. Okay, and when that happened, we want to note another crossing back. Okay, and we note that crossing here, and then we want to note the final crossing. Okay, so we can see the final crossing back, and then this will be our final crossing here to note that price is going to start selling. Okay, and then we saw that price had to cross back again. Okay, so at this point here, we took a sell. Okay, so although we had a spike here, we note that definitely price must sell back, guys. Price must sell back, and that is what is happening now. Okay, so we note that the red candle here did not close above this red zone. Okay, so this is the first red candle, the second red candle, and definitely the third red candle coming up now. Okay, and then when we look at the relative strength index, the RSI, you will notice that on the 1 hour time frame, the RSI is selling here at this particular level. Okay, the RSI is selling at this particular level downwards. Okay, downwards. So although it didn't get to our level 10, that is why we have to wait for price to sell and get to this level 10. So at this particular level here, we are waiting for price to sell, and when price sell, definitely price is going to get to this level 10 level here. Okay, so this is how I was able to take this trade. So you can see that price is retracing a little now. So if you just getting to see this video now, you can do well to enter this trade and position yourself for the next sell that is about to happen, guys. So cheers, guys. Make sure you don't risk what you are not able to afford to lose in the market. Okay, make sure you trade wisely and test this strategy out first on your demo account before deciding to go live, guys. So cheers, guys, and stay profitable.